Welcome to Research Rabbit. This is going to be your best friend for discovering and organizing sources to help you answer your research question and support your ideas. If you're new, click Sign Up, then the Sign Up tab over here again. It'll ask you for your name, email address, and for you to create a password. You can leave this box unchecked if you don't want to get spammed with emails about Research Rabbit updates. I already have an account, so I'll sign in. Awesome, so we're to the home page. If you remember from the last video, in Elicit, we copied the DOI, which means Digital Object Identifier. It's just kind of like a special URL for research articles or database entries. So I already have a DOI copied to my clipboard, so I'll go ahead and paste it in and click search, and it'll pull up the source. You can save this to any library you have. I'm going to create a collection, just call it Confidence 1. And now that's saved to that library. It'll show you the publisher, title, authors, and abstract. You can also add your own notes about this source if you want to say, definitely use this for paragraph 2 or something like that. And then you can dive deeper right here, but I'm going to show you the other way to do it. I'm just going to have one seed paper for this example, but I encourage you to have a few so that the AI can really get a comprehensive idea of your topic. So come up to the top and click Library, and then pick any one of your collections that you want to use. This one is just Confidence, right? You can see it in the list, in a compact list, or I like to view it in this map. And then if you have multiple, you'll select all. And then if you click this little up arrow, you can see what kind of things it's going to be searching for. So this tool allows us to find connected sources that are on the same topic or that are referenced or cited by this same source. All of these filters are for the paid version, but if you want to, you can look specifically at references. We're just going to look at similar, so it looks backwards and forwards, and click search. And this pulls up a map of all of the sources that could be related to your topic based on this seed paper. You'll notice it has a little plant icon, and it means that that is your starting paper. So just to preview this map, this y-axis shows citations. So papers that people have referenced a lot or that are pretty integral to the literature on this topic will normally appear more up here. This x-axis shows publication recency. So newer articles will appear closer to the right. And it makes sense that newer articles have fewer citations. I'll click map just so we can see it a little bit better. And then if you mouse over the source, it'll give you the author, the year it was published, and the title. It will also show you which other papers reference this one. So these blue arrows, you can see that this paper, and this paper all reference this one. And mousing over another paper, you can see that since this one's newer, it's pointing to older papers that it's referenced. So if I find a source that I'm especially interested in, this one sounds like it could be good. Use of certainty-based marking in a second-year medical student cohort, a pilot study. Then you'll be able to read the abstract and get a better feel for what it is that this paper is talking about. And if you want to learn more about this topic, you can basically repeat the process. And so you can click similar. I want to see more papers like this. And then you'll see up here to the left, it created a new little rabbit hole. So if you want to go back to your other one, just click back. You can also use these arrows to navigate. And then I want to go to the map again, zoom in. This one talks more about multiple choice and talking about certainty-based marking. So I say, oh, that could be good to learn more about. So I click on similar, and then it'll create another rabbit hole.